Hello friends, today I am going to show you the recipe of pomfret fry. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some pomfret fish, oil, ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder, hing, lemon juice, red chili powder, coriander powder, some besan and semolina. So let's start. Now take a plate and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. With that 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we are going to add different types of spices. So first salt as per taste, red chili powder as per taste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 tablespoon and finally hing 1/4 teaspoon. Now we are going to mix it properly. I mixed it properly and everything has combined well. Now take a pomfret fish and I've made some cuts on it. Then I removed the eyes and trimmed the fins. And I've made a cut in between. Now we are going to apply the marination properly. I coated the marinade very well on both the sides and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. Similarly, I coated the other fish very well and now we are going to marinate it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the fish has marinated well and now we are going to go to the coating process. Now take a plate and add half cup of semolina in it. Then add 2 tablespoons of besan and salt as per taste. Now we are going to mix it properly. I mixed it very well. Now take the marinated fish and coat it very well on both the sides. I coated the fish very well and now we are going to dust off the excess semolina. And now I am going to transfer it into a plate. Similarly, I coated the other fish. And now we are going to go to the frying process. Now take a pan and heat some oil in it. Then add the fish. I added the fish and now we are going to cook them until their both sides are golden brown on medium flame. The fish is golden brown on both the sides and now I am going to transfer it on a tissue paper. So the tissue paper will absorb all the oil. I transferred it into this plate and now I am going to garnish it with some onion rings. I garnished it with some onion rings. So this is my delicious and tasty pomfret fry recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.